Hi, my name is Shelby, and this is a video to give you a small tutorial of a website that I think will be useful for not only the students, but a great tool for teachers as well. In my future career of being an elementary school teacher, I will need to find tools that will be useful for students to access at home and online. One great website that I used when I was in school and think that the students would really enjoy is a website called FUNBRAIN. FUNBRAIN holds games, readings, videos, and math problems that students from grades pre-K to 8th grade can use to practice their skills that they have learned in the class or that they are still struggling with. When you first go onto the site, www.funbrain.com, on the top of the page you will see something that says Browse by Grade. By doing this, it'll bring up different readings and activities that students in the grade can do to practice. For example, if you click on 5th grade, and scroll down, it'll give books to read, games for students to play, and math that students can practice. If the student wants to search specifically for either games, readings, videos, or math to practice, they can go to the very top of the page and click on the links to go directly to what type of practice that they are looking for. At the top of the page, you will see a link called Playground. This will bring you to a portion of the site that students can play games that incorporate some of the skills that they've used in the class in a fun and creative way. This is one of my personal favorites of the website because it incorporates the skills that the students have learned without them even really realizing that they are using them and practicing them. FunBrain can be used outside of the classroom, but also inside as a break for students while being still something that is educational for them to do. I believe that this website could be a great use for teachers as well, inside and outside of the classroom, as a tool that will be helpful for guiding the students in their practices. I hope you have enjoyed this little tutorial of this website and hope this will be a tool that you will use in the classroom as well. Thank you.